The bump cap attaches to the trimmer head hub and holds the spool in place. The cap attaches to the hub with two plastic locking tabs. Eventually, the locking tabs might break off. Replacing the bump cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bump cap from the trimmer head. The bump cap is secured to the trimmer head with two plastic locking tabs. I'll depress the tabs and pull the cap away from the hub. And now I can install the new bump cap. I place the bump cap over the spool, aligning the tabs with the slots on the hub. And once it's aligned, I'll snap it in place. And that's how simple it is to replace the bump cap on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.